Grahak Sathi, 7 June 2025, Volume 5, Number 48. Take travel insurance to protect against the unexpected. Why is it important to have travel insurance? Travel insurance is a type of policy that covers financial losses and risk associated with traveling. This may include medical expenses, trip cancellations, lost luggage or passport, delayed or cancelled flight, or other unforeseen issue during a trip. We bring you simple yet detailed information about the why, what, and how of taking travel insurance. It will help you make informed decision while buying travel insurance. Guide you on how you can use it when needed as well as through the claim process. Why you should have travel insurance? Travel insurance offers a range of protections and benefits while traveling, which makes it essential to have during overseas travel. In case of medical emergencies, travel insurance protects you against the prohibitively high medical cost in many countries, make medical help accessible and affordable when needed. A comprehensive policy covers expenses such as emergency hospitalization, ambulance fees, outpatient treatments, doctor consultations, prescriptions, medicines, and even medical evacuation. Emergency evacuation or repatriation. In case of serious illness, injury, or death, evacuation back to India can cost lakhs of rupees. Services covered by travel insurance include air ambulance, repatriation of remains, and medical escort support. If the trip gets cancelled, you may have to cancel your trip due to valid reasons like sickness, injuries, national emergencies, natural disasters, or even visa rejection. Insurance will reimburse prepaid non-refundable expenses like flight, hotel, tours, etc. If your luggage is lost, stolen, or damaged. If your luggage is lost or delayed, insurance will cover you for buying necessary items for the time being till your baggage is traced. It will also provide compensation as per policy terms if your luggage is lost, stolen, or damaged while buying a policy. Make sure that it also covers the valuables inside your baggage. In case of flight delays, cancellations, you may face flight delays, cancellations, or misconnections and incurrentational expenses. Some insurance policies pay for meals and accommodation during delays and the cost of rebooking missed connecting flights. Ensure loss of your passport. Losing your passport abroad is stressful and costly, and it happens more often than you think. Insurance covers the cost of obtaining a duplicate passport. Financial security for trips abroad. In emergency situations such as your wallet or bags getting stolen while on the trip, the insurance can help you by providing financial backup to deal with the issue. Personal liability. If you accidentally injure someone or damage property, legal liabilities can be massive. In such cases, a travel insurance policy can help cover legal expenses, and settle third party compensation claims. Buying guide, key features to look for. Different travel insurance policies offer a wide range of coverage and benefit and have different limits, exclusions, and other conditions. Hence, a thorough review of their terms and conditions is necessary. Given below are important features and aspects which you should consider to make sure that the policy coverage aligns with needs. Coverage limits. Check the maximum amount your policy will pay for different types of claims, medical expenses or lost luggage, etc. Ensure this limit are adequate for your destination and potential risk. Cashless hospitalization. Check for this at network hospitals globally. Arranging for a huge payment for treatment in a foreign country can be difficult. Exclusion. Be aware of what your policy does not cover. Pre-existing medical conditions are usually not covered unless specified. Other common exclusions are adventure sports, unless you opt for add-on coverage at extra cost, and travel to high-risk destinations. Types and level of coverage. Different policies offer varying level of protection. Basic plans may cover only medical emergencies, while more comprehensive plans include trip cancellation, baggage loss, and other benefits. Choose a plan that suits your needs and risk tolerance. Deductibles. Some policies have a deductible, which is the amount you need to pay out of pocket before the insurance coverage kicks in. Geographical coverage. Ensure that the policy covers all the countries you plan to visit. Some policies have specific regional limitations. Duration of coverage. The policy should cover the entire duration of your trip, from your departure date to your return date. Coverage for pre-existing medical conditions. If you have any pre-existing medical conditions, carefully review the policy to see if they are covered. Some insurers offer riders or specific policies. For travelers with pre-existing conditions. Coverage for planned activities. If specific activities like scuba diving or skiing are planned, check to see if your policy covers any potential injuries related to these activities. You can also opt for additional coverage for adventure sports. 24/7 as assistant. Ensure that your insurer provide 24/7 global helpline support. Common mistake when buying travel insurance and how to avoid them. Buying it just because it is mandatory. Do not buy travel insurance only because some countries require it for visa processing. A cheapest or bare minimum plan may not help when faced with a medical emergency. Trip cancellation or loss of belongings. Believing nothing will go wrong. Travelers often assume their trips will go smoothly, but it is wise to stay prepared even when everything seems certain. Hiding or ignoring pre-existing medical conditions. Not disclosing pre-existing conditions can avoid your claim. Always declare your medical history truthfully. You can also buy a tailored policy for pre-existing conditions at a slightly higher premium for your peace of mind. Not knowing what is covered. Terms like deductibles, exclusions, emergency, evacuation, etc. can be confusing, but these are important when making a claim. Read your policy's coverage and exclusions. Seek expert guidance from your insurer or advisor for any clarification required. How to choose the right travel insurance policy? Selecting the right travel insurance can be overwhelming, but by following a systematic approach, you can find a policy that offers the best protection for your needs. Assess your needs. Consider your destination, the duration of your trip, the activities you plan to undertake, and your personal health situation. This will help you identify the types and level of coverage you require. Research different providers. Compare policies from various insurance companies. Look at their coverage options, exclusions, premium, and customer reviews. Online comparison website can be helpful in this process. Read the policy document carefully. Do not just focus on the price. Thoroughly read the policy wording, including the terms and conditions, coverage detail, and exclusions. Pay attention to the fine print. Consider group or family policies. If you are traveling with family or a group or family policy may offer better value and comprehensive coverage for everyone. Check for additional benefits. Some policies offer extra benefits like 24/7 emergency assistance, legal support, or personal accident coverage. Evaluate if these benefits are valuable to you. Understand the claims process. Familiarize yourself with the claim filing process. Know what document you will need and how to contact the insurance provider in case of an emergency. When required, contact the insurer's assistant helpline. Keep all recipient. Medical bills, FIR in case of theft, loss, etc. and submit the claim for online or via email within the specified time period. Do not wait until the last minute. Purchase your travel insurance well in advance or of your trip. Some policies have waiting period for certain benefits. Keep policy details handy. Once you purchase your policy, keep a copy of the policy document and emergency contact information easily accessible during your travels. Share this information with a trusted family member or friend as well. Editorial team. Chairman CERC and Torch Praful Amin. Chairman CERS Walter Vieira. CEO Anindita Mehta. Associate Editors Anusha Iyer, Rashmi Goyal. Editorial Assistants Tithi Bhandari, Vandana Yadav. Address Consumer Education and Research Center, 802 Grahak Suvidha Kendra, Sakar 2, next to Ellis Bridge Police Station, Ashram Road, Ahmedabad, 380006. Phone number 079 3533 7262. Email address complaints@cercindia.org. Helpline number 1800 233 0332. Dhwani Mudran Shanta Mehta Digital Talking Book Library, Anjan Mandal, Vastrapur, Ahmedabad 380015. Voice over by Anal Dave.